allow it for some time before peeling the shell. So I'll be using some breadcrumb, but I don't have breadcrumb right now, so I'm using cornflakes. This is my onion and pepper, and this is my sausage, and 1 egg to dip the buns after frying. And then I'm using onion powder and then garlic powder and my flour. Put it aside. Blend your sausage. Blend the pepper and onion mix. So you add your onion and pepper mix to the sausage and give it a thorough mix. Give it a thorough mix. And onion powder if you want. This is a choice. Add your garlic. Optional. Give it a thorough mix. At this point, you want to add your flour and mix it together. You might want to add some milk if it come out too thick. I forgot to mention you can add half spoon of sugar if you want. You want to break an egg and set aside for greasing it. Yeah, that's my baby in the background. Add some stuff, a little water. Whisk it very well and set it aside. So you want to start by greasing your hand to ensure it doesn't stick to your hand. And then you cut a little bit. Flatten it. This is the egg. Came out so nice because I soak it in cold water after cooking. So you want to dip the egg into the flour so it doesn't stick, and you wrap it. So you might want to deep fry it so it doesn't stick to the pan. I didn't plan to do this today, but my oil is not much.